and welcome back to DIY Dreams. Today we're going to be doing an outfit ideas video for back to school. I'm so sorry to my US followers who are already sadly back into school. So this video is coming out a little bit late. I apologize for that. But for us Canadians, we still have another week of summer vacation and I'm going to enjoy it because I love the summertime. It's not my favorite season, but it's definitely very fun. We're all dreading that first day on back to school, and to make it easier, to make it more smooth, I have some outfit ideas so that you don't have to think about that part of it. I'm also going to be coming out with my essentials for back to school items because I'm going into grade 9 this year. I'm a little bit nervous because in Canada, elementary school goes to grade 8 and then high school starts from grade 9 obviously to grade 12. So yeah, I'm going into high school this year. And so I hope you enjoy these outfit ideas and let's just get into it. So the first outfit I'm wearing is this shirt. It's from H&M. I really like it. I got it in extra small. And these pants, which are from Old Navy. These are in a size small. I really like it. I think it's very cute. And the best part about this outfit is I always get some back to school shoes. And these are the shoes I got. They actually match the lettering on the shirt, which is in green font. And so yeah, I thought it was really cute. And yeah, so this is the first outfit. So this is the next outfit. I got the top at H&M and I got these bottoms at Old Navy. Kind of similar thing to the last outfit I'm realizing. But yeah, I really like this top. It's kind of oversized and baggy, but it's also really soft and comfy. It says Nirvana on it and I really like the, what's it called? The graphic tee. And the jeans are actually low-waisted, which isn't, I never usually wear jeans. My like staple, if you will, is usually like, what's it called? Is usually like leggings and like any type of top or t-shirt, I guess. And so this isn't my normal style, but I definitely thought it was important to include things that weren't my normal style. Yeah, I really like it. And yeah, I think it's really cute. Okay, here's my next outfit. It's just these high-waisted brown pants that I got at UrbanPlanet. And the top's also from UrbanPlanet. It just says Los Angeles, sorry. And it's in this brown font. It's white and it's really cute. It's not cropped. If you're gonna get this top, it's not cropped. I just want you to know that. I just tucked it into the pants. And yeah, I really like how these fit me. You'll notice that in another outfit, I also got these in 2 colors. I got them in this brown, obviously, and I got them in a black. But I ordered the black one online, not knowing that they were the same pant. And when they came, I ordered those ones in a small, and these are an extra small. And these ones fit my waist so much better because they're not gapping at the back. So I would recommend, if you're like similar proportions to me, I would recommend getting these in an extra small. I'll put the name of the pant up here if you actually want to get them. But yeah, I really like this outfit. It's really cute and it matches my hair color, so yeah. Okay guys, here's the next outfit. These are the pants that I was talking about, but I'll get to them later. So this shirt is from H&M and I think it's really cute. I don't know if you can see it, but it has like this squiggly font on it. And yeah, it's really pretty. It fits me really well. So yeah, I really like it. And then you'll notice that the tags are still in these pants, because these are the ones that I got online. And so I need to still return these, but I thought I'd show you them just because I really like the color combination. But yeah, it's kind of simple, kind of, you know, neutral, it's very safe. But yeah, I think there should be an outfit in your wardrobe that's just very like neutral colors. And yeah, it kind of goes with everything, really cute. So yeah. Okay guys, here's the next outfit. The top is from American Eagle, and it's really cute. It has this like peace sign on it, and it's actually daisies, and it's really cute. I like their baby tees because they're always not see-through, which I appreciate because they're not made out of like a thin material. And so yeah, they're also really soft and comfy. And yeah, I definitely recommend them for back to school. And then these pants are pants that I actually already had. I just haven't worn them much. And now that I have a top to go with them, I'll probably wear them a lot more, which is definitely really good. And yeah, they're just from Old Navy, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, very cute for back to school. And all these outfits I'm pretty sure are dress code appropriate. I just wanted to add that in. And also, just a quick disclaimer, I'm definitely not like this outfit professional or anything like that. Okay, you guys, this is my final outfit. You'll notice that I'm wearing this white sweater, and I got this from UrbanPlanet. I really like it. It's really cozy, and definitely gives me back to school vibes. At least where I'm from, I know in some regions back to school is definitely a lot warmer, which is why I got these shorts. They're from Lululemon, and I will say that Lululemon is an investment. If you want them, you have to like want them because they're quite expensive. What? But I decided to get a pair, especially because I have gym first semester this year. So I decided that I would get some gym shorts so I can use them. But yeah, they fit me really well. I really like them. I think everyone kind of knows about Lululemon. But yeah, I really like this outfit. It's really cute. I don't know if I'd wear them together, depending on how hot or cold it was that day. But yeah, I really like this outfit. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. We're trying to hit 100 subscribers by my birthday. That's February. And if you guys can do it, I have a big surprise for you guys. Now, I'll see you next time. I'm about to disappear. Bye!